Be a more focused person and achieve all your goals by spending less than 5 minutes a day. Neuro Calm Pro is a very special product that has a unique and powerful formula, with concentrated ingredients composed of rare plants and herbs, like yam dong k black cohosh oatmeal peaceful seaweed and blessed thistle, that have been tested in rigorous laboratories and passed all tests thanks to the completely 100% natural formula. All this combined with a special set of therapeutic techniques could effectively help anyone to keep their hearing healthy. The Neuro Calm protocol was the only developed protocol for hearing health in the world that combines the healing powers of plants with the science of soothing sound therapies. Anyone can use it safely immediately, there is no need for doctor's visits or expensive surgery, and it meets the highest standards and uses the latest scientific advances in hearing care. You will have immediate access to the entire Neuro Calm sound therapy protocol. So, the 30-day program of graphic listening sessions and sound therapy sessions that can be accessed immediately from your iPad computer or smartphone, you can print the download and listen to it whenever you want. Watch this video and decide if you want to get back to a normal life without having to spend all your money and time. Neuro Calm Pro has already helped thousands of people who no longer knew what to do with their hearing health. If you have any questions, leave a comment here and I will help you. Again, very carefully, only purchase the product from the official website link available in our Instagram highlights or below our videos on YouTube channel. So if you liked these doubts about Neuro Calm Pro, please click like and subscribe for more products. See you soon.